Hi everyone, it's November 1st, about 5:30 in the afternoon, or 5:40 in the afternoon. We're at Sahara, Las Vegas. Let's go check things out. Here we go, Vegas, here we go. Let's see. Welcome to the Sahara. Cheers, cheers. Huh. So check it out. Garden. Hey, how you doing? Just heading out now. Thank you. All right, hey guys, we made it. Hey. Boy. Not a peep nor a whimper. This place is packed. All right, there's the stratosphere or the Strat. Now, if you go to the 109th floor, it is free. No need to buy a drink, and you get about a, not quite a 180, maybe 150 degree view of Vegas. You get the Strip, parts of the east side and parts of the west side, and you can, if you stretch a little bit, you can see some of the north side, I guess, right? Or some of the downtown area and the arts district. You know, but well, I guess maybe it's more than, maybe it's 180 degrees. Not really sure, but it's nice view. Here's our Circle K, or the OK store in some parts of the world. Just past a cannabis shop. Oh shit. 4 t-shirts, $10. Did you know, hey, Fun City, there's actually a gun club here on the Strip where you can do your shooting. It's called the Strip Gun Club. And if we look past the famous Chapel of the Bells and weddings, there it is, the shooting range. Gives new meaning to a shotgun wedding, maybe a machine gun wedding. All right. This was the IHOP, the International House of Pancakes. Never went there. Oh, it's M&M Soul Food. Oh, Boulevard Boutique Apartments. I guess they're renovating something, I guess. I don't know for sure. But boutique, translation, small. Next translation, expensive. There's the Aztec Inn Casino. You know, they have a little, I think a Thai restaurant off to the side. Never tried, but people say it's tasty. Maybe someday I will. And what is this? This is luxury apartments over here? Hang on. That sign says luxury apartments, the boulevard. Huh. All right, you guys, I have to go look around there one day, okay? And I'll try to take you with me. And there's a Strat. All right. And the Strat.